Today we'll be installing the Ram Ball accessory mount, available exclusively at Advanced Sport Touring. For this install, the first tool you're going to need is a pencil or a marker, something so that you can mark exactly where your clamp is at. So you're going to trace around the edge of it and mark specifically where it splits. This way, when we release the bolt on top, we can get it back into the same position when we tighten up the accessory mount. Once you've marked where the edge and center of the clamp is, you're going to take your 5mm hex, also called an Allen key, and you're going to loosen it. And then you're going to completely remove it. Next, you're going to take your Ram Ball accessory mount and the tube of supplied Loctite. You're going to break open the top. You're going to place it on the bottom third of the bolt. You only need to do it on one side because as you turn it, it'll spread it through the threads. Place it into the same hole. Screw it in until it's hand tight. Take your 9mm open end wrench, tighten it up, make sure you get that good and tight so that your clamp won't move on you. In addition to the bolts that can be replaced on your handlebars, you can replace the bolts that are on the plastic cover on top of your gas tank. All you need is your 5mm hex Allen key. Remove the bolt. Take your Ram Ball accessory mount, put your Loctite on it, and thread it back into the same hole. Next, you're going to need your 9mm open end wrench and tighten it down. And then that part of the installation is complete. The Ram Ball accessory mount, available at Advanced Sport Touring, offers a distinct advantage over the competition, allowing you to get your electronic devices up at eye level where you want it. All you have to do is attach your Ram Ball arm, any of their many accessories. This is a mount for GPS that you'd use in your car. You just tighten your screw. It locks it into any position you want. Take your GPS, snap it in, and when you're on your trip, you don't have to constantly look down. In addition to GPS mounts, you can find many other accessories, such as a satellite radio attachment, I used a stiletto too, and then you can listen to your satellite radio, along with many other options. This concludes our installation of the Ram Ball accessory mount.